cutting concrete project is a bit more involved than a simple woodworking task. Because concrete is not an easy material to get through, you will need a powerful and heavy-duty saw. In addition to the size, most concrete saws are also wet saws. There are many products available to choose the best concrete saw, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. SKILSAW SPT7900 15-amp Medusaw worm drive saw. This concrete saw offers the versatility of a handheld saw with the power and control of a walk-behind saw. The 15-amp motor is powered through a direct electrical connection with a standard 120-volt outlet. The corded connection limits the movement of the saw, but with an extension cord, the user will never run out of power during a cut. The saw comes with guide wheels to help move the tool along the top of the concrete, while the blade cuts at a maximum depth of 2 inches. This helps extend the life of the concrete saw, and it can make it easier to cut through hard materials like concrete, asphalt, paving stones, granite, bluestone, and limestone. Number 2. Rockwell 4.5-inch compact circular saw. Use this Rockwell compact circular saw for making small, precise cuts in concrete, tile, and stone. The affordable saw is lightweight and easy to hold so that the power of the spinning blade won't cause the user to lose their grip. It has an ergonomic textured handle with enough space to hold the saw with 1 or 2 hands, and the trigger is located at the bottom of the saw, where it's always within reach of at least 1 finger. The concrete saw has a 5-amp motor located in the rear of the tool, which gives the saw a more balanced feel. The blade is positioned on the left side to make it easier for right-handed users to see where they are cutting. However, this can make it more difficult for left-handed users. Number 3. DeWalt FLEXVOLT 60V Max Cut-Off Saw Kit. This heavy-duty concrete saw doesn't rely on a cord or gasoline for power. Instead, it uses a lithium battery pack contained within a latched and sealed battery box for added protection from water, dust, and impact damage. The concrete saw also comes with a fast charger and an additional battery so that when one battery is spent, the second is ready to go. The dual-sided water feed system on the safety guard helps prevent the risk of inhaling concrete dust, and it has the benefit of helping to keep the blade cool, allowing the saw to cut through rebar, steel, concrete, and paving stones. Number 4. XtremepowerUS Concrete Saw. Equipped with a 14-inch blade powered by 15 amps, the XtremepowerUS wet-dry cement saw is a very capable beast. It's electric, so no gas or oil needed, and it's never difficult to start. Hook your hose up to it and you'll get steady streams of water to keep the blade nice and cool while you make your cuts. That said, you'll need a trip to the hardware store to get a connector for your hose, since from the factory, this tool doesn't have one. The motor has overload shutoff to stop it from overheating, which meant that we had to work in 2-minute intervals. This saw is priced quite moderately, which puts it in the range of most homeowners. Number 5. Makita 4100 NHX1 Concrete Saw. This cement saw from Makita is very compact and portable. It has a shallow cut depth of 1 inches, so you won't be using it for anything major. However, it's very light at only 6.5 pounds and much more manageable than the large wet saws. Of course, that's another drawback. This is not a wet saw and doesn't have hookups for water. The 9.6 amp motor is plenty powerful for the small 4-inch blade size, and it cuts through concrete quickly with little effort. Although the saw operates well and is plenty powerful, since it can't make the large cuts often necessary of a cement saw, it's capped out at the 8th position on this list. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products.